Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Natty. I am 35 weeks, 5 days pregnant. Super tired, super overwhelmed, super stressed because of this whole bathroom situation, pipe situation. The last time I talked to you guys was, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. It was supposed to be just a leak, like a $500 fix turned into a $2,000 fix. It ended up being a $15,000 fix because it was old pipes. Like I told you guys, this house was built in 1965 and so were the pipes. They hadn't been replaced in a long time. So the pipes were going all the way through the kitchen, which is why it was such an expensive and long fix. They've been fixing it for about 6 days and they finally finished just now. What was I saying? Pipes are old. Oh, I'm going to put the clips of all the disastrousness that went on in our house. Today was the last day. They literally just left. Everything is done. All we have to do is retile the bathroom, repaint the bathroom wall and the bar wall in our family room, and clean a lot because there's dust everywhere in our garage, absolutely everywhere. So it's been so stressful. I've had to stay home all these days with Desi, trying to get him not to go downstairs. It's been super hard on my body. Like, I can't even explain to you how much pain I've been and how extra tired I've been with this baby and with having to chase Desi around, but I'm so glad it's over. It literally felt like a never-ending situation, but thank the Lord it's finally over, just in time for Christmas. We won't be able to decorate down there, but you know what? Oh well, we got everything fixed and hopefully this is the end of it. Oh, and our insurance is covering most of the costs, so whew, we do have to pay a little chunk of it, but we're we're blessed that our insurance is covering most of it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a like. If you've been through something like this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you, everyone, for the advice on contacting our warranty and our insurance and all that. I love you guys all. Thank you. Have a Merry Christmas. This is probably going to be posted after Christmas, but I hope you had a Merry Christmas and have a happy New Year. And say goodbye to the baby and to my lovely daughter. This is the disaster from the garage. They had to fix the piping all through the garage and through the side of the house. So they had to remove the flooring in our living room, and here's the same damn hole in the bathroom that they're still working on. Oh my God. This is the backyard right behind the kitchen pipes that needed to be fixed through the bar area. So they're done with the floor. Now we just gotta retile, put the toilet back on, get a new sink. Our floor is back on. It's all paved. Almost done. We got a lot of cleaning to do.